All right, here's two more examples. Let's take a couple minutes. You guys take a couple minutes and try these two out, and then we'll go over these two as well. Okay, 2 minutes, go. All right, I'm going to start up again, but remember, if you are still working, do finish up and check your work with what we get. And if you make mistakes, please ask if you have questions about the mistakes you make, so we can clarify that stuff, and then we'll have completed the learning process for that problem, right? So let's set this up. So we got 9,330, each digit in its respective place value, and we're going to subtract 8,728. And we'll notice right away, just in the ones place value, that we don't have enough to take away that 8, right? You can't have nothing and then take away 8. It's just not enough to take 8 away from. So yeah, we got to look to the next place value. This one's going to work directly. We'll take 10 of the 3 tens there and make that a 10, which is going to make that now 2 tens. And we'll go back to the ones place value. So 10 minus 8, 10, put down, I got all 10 fingers up. Put 8 fingers down, you got 2 fingers up still. Now we go to the tens place value, and yeah, maybe it helps to see this both ways, right? So now I'm focused on just in the tens place value, it's 2 minus 2. And 2 take away 2, whether you're using fingers or not, you got 0 fingers up, so that's 0. Now the hundreds place value here. And yeah, we see we got 3 hundreds minus 7 hundreds. Well, that's not enough hundreds to take away 700. All right, so I got to borrow from my thousands place value there. So this 9 is going to become 8,000. And I'll borrow one of those thousands into the hundreds place value. So now it's 13 minus 7. So I got 3 fingers up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I get 6 on that. That's the hundreds place value. And then in the thousands place value, I probably should have covered this one up. But now in the thousands place value, 8 minus 8 is 0. And that's correct right there. So just to clean this up a little bit, right? Let's say, all right, I got 0, 6, 0, 2. The 0 in the thousands place value, I don't really need that 0 there to hold that place value because it just means I have no thousands whatsoever. Again, I do need the 6 in the hundreds place value, and even the 0 in the tens. Again, without that 0 right there, it would look like 62. So we need that 0 there, okay? So our final answer here, 9,330 minus 8,728 is 602. All right, now let's go to the next one. So that's 81, 8 in the tens position, 1 in the ones position, minus 76, so that's a 7 in the tens position, 6 in the ones position, like this. And we'll move these boxes down so we can work with this stuff. I got 1 minus 6. Well, I can't do it because it's too much to take away from the 1. So I look to the tens place value. I'm going to borrow 10 from the 8 tens there and make that 11, which means I'm going to drop the 8 down into a 7. And we can focus back again on the ones place value. So that's 11 minus 6. So 1 finger up, take down 6 fingers. Boom, I get 5. Now our tens place value, which is now showing 7 minus 7, which is 0. But again, I don't need that 0 to hold that place value there. So I'm just going to show it as 5. And so our final answer here, 81 minus 76 is 5. Now, just to kind of go back to the beginning of this lesson, which I know is a little bit ago, but remember, it's the distance between values. It's the difference between values. Subtraction is. So if I said, what's the difference between 81 and 76? It's 5. It's a difference of 5, okay? Or if I said, what's the distance between 81 and 76? Like if I use inches, right? So 81 inches, what's the difference between 81 inches and 76 inches? There's 5 inches right there. Okay, and the same could be said no matter how big the numbers are like this.